Laura. Come
We're
on.
ready. Can you go like zoom in and zoom out?
Yeah.
Oh, I didn't know that. Oh, that's very
Come
helpful.
on, honey. Laura.
She's gonna go. I think she's thinking about it. Here she goes. Oh, here she goes. No, she's gonna roll. Ready? Watch. Here she goes. Whoa! Awesome!
Good job. Come on.
Hi. Keep going. Keep going. She's in position to roll.
Come on, come Daddy.
Gracie's just You're silly. Good girl. Oh, come on.
There we go.
Come on.
There.
You know what you're doing. Good girl. Come on. Awesome.
There you go. Good girl.
Gracie, come here. Gracie, come here.
Come on, come on.
She's gonna do it. Yay! She'll do it once more. She can probably do it again if you want to.
Woo! Good girl. Yay!
She's like, how did I get all the way over here?
Wow, let's go this way now. Whoa!
Oh, yeah, careful. You don't want to roll in the wood.
This way.
She does not know that way. So she favors this way. So, Jason, she's gonna keep rolling on the wood. Honey, get her, get her. She's hover over the other way. She seems to favor.
Let's go this way. Ready?
Yeah.
Whee!